Hello and welcome to this video from the Lotus Forming Company channel. In this video, we will discuss another device, the CU Channel Profile Production Line. This machine is responsible for cutting profiles in desired dimensions, which are commanded by the PLC control system. This machine with flying technology maximizes line performance and improves production speed. The flying capability allows the cutting device to move with the formed profile, moving back and forth, and cutting during production without having to stop forming. In addition, the profile cutting power in this machine is applied by a hydraulic cylinder. We have previously posted a video on the channel about how hydraulic systems work, and you can watch it to fully understand this. But in short, the oil pressure reaches the back of our cylinder, which is located above our cutting blade, through a hydraulic hose, and in a fraction of a second. By applying several tons of pressure to the profile, the cut is done without any burrs or heat. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our other videos.